Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to talk about and learn how to pronounce this type of Italian. What would you call it? It's kind of a sweet. It's basically a biscuit or a cookie, if you will, but Italian. Anyways, this is pronounced biscotti. 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 Now notice that it's not pronounced biscari, biscatti, or whatever other variation you've got out there. It's biscotti. The T is double, so not only you have to pronounce it like a T, but also it has to be stronger or longer. So biscotti rather than biscotti. Can you tell the difference? The O is an open O for those of you who are advanced learners or Italian natives or just interested in diction. It is biscotti, not biscotti. So it's not a closed O, but it's not a. Kind of an in-between sound. It literally means cooked twice. Bis, meaning two times. Cotti, cooked. And it's in plural form. So if you're only eating one for whatever the heck reason, then you would say biscotto. So, one biscuit, un biscotto. Two, due biscotti. And do keep in mind that when I say biscuit, I mean it in the English sense or British English sense. That's why I was also translating it a bit like a cookie, perhaps, in America. But in general, you know what it is. Now go eat 10. Thank you for watching Accent Master. Please subscribe for more. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.